Hi all, welcome to Unfasten Learning Academy, also known as EULA. So in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to explain cloud computing in the simplest way possible with real examples we use every single day. So let's get started. So what is cloud computing? Cloud computing simply means using powerful computers over the internet. Instead of buying and maintaining your own servers, you can rent servers from companies like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. Now let's look at a real-time example. Just like at home, you don't buy a generator. You just pay for the electricity bill for what you use. Similarly, companies don't have to buy physical servers. If they choose cloud, they can rent servers and pay only for the resources they consume, like storage, computing power, or databases. Moving on, why companies use cloud? Companies prefer cloud because of the three big advantages. First is scalability. If your app has 10 users today and suddenly 10 lakh users tomorrow, the cloud automatically increases the server capacity. And when the load decreases, it scales down. Next is there is no upfront cost. They don't need to buy expensive hardware or set up data centers. Next is they only pay for the usage. Just like your electricity bill, no usage means no charge. This helps companies save lakhs of rupees. Moving on, let's look at the types of cloud services. So the first one is infrastructure as a service. This is the most basic layer. You rent servers, storage, networks, and virtual machines. And you are responsible for handling the installation and configuration. Examples include AWS EC2, Azure VM, Google Compute Engine. The next type is platform as a service. So here you get both server plus operating system plus platform. So there will be no need to install anything. You just need to upload your code and run. Example, Google App Engine, AWS Elastic Beanstalk. This is perfect for developers. Next type is software as a service. This is ready-made software that you can use directly. This is the easiest layer. Just open and use. Examples include Gmail, Google Drive, Office 365, and Netflix. Moving on, let's discuss some real-life examples. You are already using cloud every day. You just don't notice it. When you upload photos to Google Photos, when you watch movies on Netflix, when you store files in Google Drive, when companies host websites or mobile apps, everything is cloud. Any app that stores data online uses cloud. Moving on, why should you learn cloud? Cloud skills are becoming mandatory in IT. Knowing cloud opened doors to multiple jobs like cloud support engineer, DevOps, SRE, that is site reliability engineer, backend developer, data engineering, cyber security roles. Almost every IT job in 2026 and beyond expects at least basic cloud knowledge. The end of the video of what is cloud computing, its types, and real-time examples. This video is just a basic beginner friendly video to discuss on what is cloud computing for beginners. And also on EULA, we are conducting free tech mock interviews with IT industry experts so that you will be more confident when you attend the real-time interviews. Just email your resume with all your experience details to unfastenlearningacademy@gmail.com and we'll get back to you as soon as possible and conduct the free tech mock interviews and give you the feedbacks as well. Thank you. Subscribe and keep watching EULA.